Today, we're going to be going over a really cool app that I put on the Domo App Store. And right now, it is just waiting Domo's approval. But the way this works is you can use a Canva marketing template or just any image you have. And what this is going to let you do when it's pushed to the App Store is to take an image and put dynamic text anywhere and all over the page. So what does that mean? Let's say that you have a Canva image that looks just like this, and you can see there's room for where text could get placed. But it's changing. It's dynamic. It changes month to month, week to week, year to year, and you need a dashboard that shows this, but with changing numbers. So you want something that looks more like this, where you have that same image where there's text that will populate it dynamically based on a Domo data set. Okay, so how are we going to do this? So when it's ready, you'll just be able to download it. And once it's downloaded, you'll need to build a data set that looks just like this. It's very simple. The column names are value, X, Y, size, and color. The very first row indicates the value needs to be a number, and that number will be some image you've already uploaded to Domo. And then the width and the height, the X and the Y for that image. How big do you want it to be? And then these are just everything after that first row is just what do you want to be displayed on that image. And so you can see brainstorm placed at this X, this Y, and then this size and color now comes into play. So how big do we want the text? And you can use Tailwind CSS to look up all the different sizings. That's what's being used here. And then also a color, which is just a hex code. So let's go ahead and first get that image, because that's actually a little bit of a unique thing to do inside of Domo. So I'll show you how that's done. We're going to go over and we're just going to create a brand new brick. Or just a card. So we're going to create a new card. We're going to select the middle one, embed documents, presentations, photos. We're going to select that. And then from here, you are going to need to upload an image. And so in this case, I'm going to go to my downloads where I know I have this one recently uploaded. Yep, there it is. I'm just going to drag and drop it over. I'm going to just rename this to Canva embed. Sweet. We're going to save that. Now, all that I'm going to have to do, it's a little unique. On a Mac, you'll right click, or sorry, on a Mac, you'll two click. On a PC, you'll right click. You're going to click inspect. And then from here, you're going to click on the image. You're going to see this little line that's highlighted over here. So we're going to read it. And after it says doc preview slash, that's the number we want. That really hard to see one, but it's going to be short because it's just the last image you uploaded, the number of it. You can see that's 1305. We don't want this one, and we don't want this one. We want that very first one. We're going to go back over to our data set. We're going to make sure we're editing the form. We'll paste it in. We'll save and continue. And then from there, if we go back to our actual brick, that's the thing we just embedded. Sweet. Now you can see it's uploading everything. So the text is coming over right. So let's just make sure that you understand that these are all dynamic on this app that would have been downloaded already. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go to our infographic data, click edit web form. Let's change this to say Taco Bell. We're going to put it somewhere horribly ugly on the page. Let's put it at 210 and 310. So just somewhere random on the page. And then let's also take this color that Taco Bell was, which is that nice purple, and let's put it on grow. So grow will be the same color. Taco Bell is going to be sitting somewhere random on the page. Save and continue. We'll go back. It'll realize that there's some changes. Yep, Taco Bell is now in some random spot. And grow and Taco Bell are matching in color. So that's exactly how you do it. As simple as can be. You just upload an image, use that image, put dynamic text on it, and you're good to go.